Sorry I haven't been in contact with you guys in a while, but I just had a busy schedule. So I want to let you know that we're down to $51,080 heading into October. As of October 2018, the loan will be below 50,000. Originally, if you guys were with me, we were up at between 78 and $82,000 last year. Now I'm down to almost below 50,000 starting October 28th. Take a look at my new videos. As you know, I've sold the house. I'm on my way to getting a new apartment on September 19th. See if we can get some extra jobs to get that loan below $50,000 and by October, and I'm going to shoot for getting it below 40 before January of 2019. Take a look at my videos and talk to you later.